In 2025, MIT scientists wired electrodes to student skulls and asked them to write essays, showed the weakest brain connectivity of anyone in the lab, and minutes later, most of them couldn't quote a single line of what they'd just written. That third group is the one that should scare you. Over 80% of the ChatGPT users couldn't accurately recall sentences from their own essay because the words were never really theirs. Then the researchers flipped the script. In session 4, the ChatGPT group had to write completely unaided, and they underperformed, their engagement still depressed. The team gave it a name, cognitive debt. Every handoff is alone, and one day it comes due. Now, offloading syncing to tools isn't new. Back in 2011, researchers in science found the Google effect. We remember where facts live, not the facts themselves. Notebooks, calculators, phones, we've been outsourcing storage for centuries. But this is the first tool we hand the thinking itself. And trust makes it worse. Microsoft and Carnegie Mellon surveyed 319 knowledge workers. The more people trusted the AI, the less critical thinking they did. The ones who stayed sharp were the ones confident in their own skills. They checked the machine's work. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. The younger you are, the harder this hits. A 2025 study of 666 people found heavier AI use tracked with lower critical thinking scores, and the effect was strongest in the youngest users, driven directly by offloading. But hold on, before you smash your laptop. This MIT study is a preprint, 54 students, just 18 in that crossover session, and one task, essays. Lower brain engagement on a task you delegated is exactly what you'd expect. The real question is what the habit does over years, and that's still open. Because here's the twist the headline skipped. When MIT's brain-only writers later got ChatGPT, their engagement stayed strong. Same tool, opposite result. The difference wasn't the AI, it was the order. Think first, then tool. So is ChatGPT rotting your brain? Not if you make it spar with you instead of think for you. Hand over the polish, never the punch. Your move first, always.